Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today my tutorial on how to make such amazing pins for baby shower. You can also call it corsage or badge. I shoot this video on request from TikTok, where I was asked many times to film how I make them. I like this project. It's a great idea to make your event more memorable. This is my version, but remember, in our business, fantasy should not have limits. I recommend choosing a minimum of 3 colors and 3 different ribbon sizes. I use here pastel, pink and yellow. Okay, let's start it. Here are all the parts that I use. For your convenience, I wrote in the description of this video all the measurements. I start assembling the badge from the round part. On this stage I will need needles. I take the yellow ribbon and fold over each corner on 1.5 inches. And I fix them with both sides. We do the same with the rest of yellow ribbons. After that we repeat the same with pink ones. This is how it looks. With these ribbons I will make a fishtail at the ends. Then using the lighter we process the edges. And this is how it looks. We repeat the same with another ribbons. Now our details for the top part of our badge are ready. We have heated up our glue gun and starting to piece our badge together. Repeat the same with another ribbons. We take yellow ribbons and glue them crosswise. We do the same with pink ribbons. We fold these ribbons crosswise. Let's get our sticker. I made it myself in Cricut Design Space. It's 2 inches in size. I will attach it in a glue gun, and between the layers I will stick foam tape for volume. Now time for our second part. We again make fishtail for edges. place the pink ribbons in the center of the yellow ones and glue them. We try to keep symmetry. It's very convenient to do it on a mat like mine. Now time to attach pin back to our badge. Our pins for future parents are ready and looking forward to the baby shower party. I hope my video was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.